Hello and welcome back to GW Add-ons. When a customer or client hits Submit on your form, they shouldn't have to wonder if their information was actually received. Silence often leads to duplicate entries and customer frustration. With smart form notifications, you can provide instant peace of mind by sending a personalized, branded receipt directly to their inbox the second they finish. Setting up a receipt is simple. Instead of typing a fixed email address, we use a dynamic merge tag. In the Email Template tab, just click the variable that corresponds to your form's email question. Now, Smart Form Notifications knows exactly where to send your thank you message for every individual submission. Now, let's make it personal. By using merge tags, your form questions wrapped in double curly braces, you can address your respondents by name and reference their specific choices. This isn't just a generic receipt, it's a personalized touchpoint that shows your brand is paying attention and builds immediate trust. Our built-in editor lets you format your message with links, bold text, and lists to match your brand's voice. The result is a high-quality professional experience that makes you look like a pro, even while you sleep. Install Smart Form Notifications today from Google Workspace Marketplace to learn more.